In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play She's All I Want to Be by Tate McRae. Here's the demo of what that song sounds like. Stupid boy making me so sad. Didn't think you could change this fast. She's got everything that I don't have. How could I ever compete with that? I know. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, there's an exclusive chord chart for this song, which you can find on my ukulele songbook on Patreon. So click on the link in my description box below and access your chord chart today. And finally, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this tenor size T52 4G. And truly, this has become my favorite model to play because the tone is warm, rich, very dynamic. I also love that the action is low, so it's easy to press down on those strings. And for the price you pay for this instrument, you're going to find a lot of quality out of it that you won't get anywhere else. So check out the link in my description box below and get a hold of your T52 4G today. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to learn in order to play She's All I Want to Be. And those chords are D minor, B flat major, F major, and C major. Now, if you already know how to play those 4 chords, then great job, feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. Take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. Then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret. Take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret. Take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. The next chord is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. And the last chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the D minor chord. 1, 2, D minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D minor for 2 turns of the string pattern, B flat major for 2 turns, F major for 2 turns, and then C major for 2 turns of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements now and play it all together. 1 and 2 and D minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, B flat major, go, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, F major, go, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, C major, go, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, pause, up, chuck, up. And now let's put the chord progression and the strumming pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, D minor, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, B flat major, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, F major, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, C major, go, down, chuck, up, chuck, up, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's combine it with the lyrics and play through She's All I Want to Be. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. If you say she's nothing to worry about, then why'd you close your eyes when you said it out loud? Stupid boy making me so sad. Didn't think you could change this fast. She's got everything that I don't have. How could I ever compete with that? I know you go and change your mind. One day wake up and be bored with mine. She's got everything that I don't have, and she's all I wanna be. all I wanna be so bad, so bad. She's got everything that I don't have. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for She's All I Wanna Be. And that's how you play She's All I Wanna Be by Tate McRae. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank Leolani for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe to access your exclusive chord chart on my Patreon page, and check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.